Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, January the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, use this email address. Excuse me, still got this congestion going. Sorry about that. And this is a link for the trading room, and it is a 100% free trading room. You don't have to be a member. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. I open, excuse me, I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern. And that's when I start to share my screen. Get live on the mic at 9:05, and I go to 3:30, up to 3:30, Mondays to Thursdays, and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Again, in the email that you're getting, you'll see a link for the test drive, which starts on Monday. So again, what is the test drive? For $8.88, we'll give you access for 5 full trading days of our entire package, our premium service. Okay. Many people ask us for, do you have free trials? We don't have free trials. We have a demo, of course, but it's 15-minute delayed and doesn't have all the features. But this is a way in which you can sample Trade Ideas, fully functional version of our real time, the whole bit. And don't worry, people ask, the other question is, what happens once it's over? Nothing happens. We don't put you into a subscription or anything. You will obviously get an email with a promo code if you do want to take out a subscription, but that's it. Once the test drive is over, there's nothing for you to do if you don't want to do anything. All right. Now, again, kind of a choppy day for me. Tupperware, kind of I will call this my mistake because I kind of got chopped out of it, but Tupperware had earnings, and I think they cut their dividend, and this was just a disaster to start. Let me just, whoops, no, I just want to get to the daily chart, show you what we're looking at here. So a huge gap down, taking all this out. The 200-day moving average was up here. So you can see it just closed a little bit above it yesterday, and it just crashed right down through it. When I say mistake, I mean, I just didn't hold it long enough. I shorted it here and I covered it here, covered it on on this bounce actually as it was trying to move up, and then it just moved down. The problem I had is I probably had too many shares, so I wasn't able to hold on through. I didn't want to hold on through that bounce, but this has just been a tremendous short for a lot of people in the room all day long. And let's see what else happened. Our halts resumes may be starting to work again. At least the halt portion. The resumes is not working yet, but basically I think anyway the halts are obviously more important than the resumes. You want to know when a stock is halted, and then of course you can just put it up on a chart and wait for it to open. What I do on something like that, if we didn't have the resumes, excuse me, I would just literally, using our price alerts, I would just basically put a price alert, a couple of pennies above where it got halted and a couple of pennies below. And of course have your sound alert on, and then once it opens, you'll know immediately. I mean, it's going to move. It's going to move 2 cents either direction very quickly, so you'll know immediately. So progress is being made on the on this, but again, you can see we don't have the resumes yet. But I mean, if all we had were the halts, that would be that's a great start. That's 90% of the battle. So it just we just happened to check it this morning, and there they were. So and having said that, what an unbelievable run on this one. $4 up to $8.50, and many people in the room were in this one. Probably you could have had a bit of an entry on this pullback. I don't know about this pullback. You'd have all these topping tails here, but nonetheless, kind of interesting. And that's about it, guys. I do want to get back in the room. I'm going to rest my voice too. Probably put myself on mute for stretches of the day. Try to shake this this congestion that I've got going. So I just want to close this down and bring back the capture program. And again, please. Oh, I should say one other thing about the test drive. Some people say to me, well, I can't make it all next week. Can you extend it? Well, so here's the deal. If you can sign up for the test drive, of course, up until Sunday night, and then you'll get 5 full trading days, Monday to Friday, next week. But let's say if you signed up Monday night, after the market closes, you'll get 5 trading days, Tuesday to Friday plus the following Monday. And you can also do it up to Wednesday evening. So once the market closes Wednesday evening, you can sign up for it, and then you'll still get 5 trading days. You'll get the Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for the following week. So if you can't make it for the full week, but you know that you will be able to, say, from Tuesday or Wednesday on next week, then there is still time for you to sign up. So, and what else? Oh, the other thing I wanted to say is that, excuse me, you'll have access to the program probably about an hour after the market closes on Friday. So that means you can play around with it all weekend. You can see how you can set up alert windows and top list windows. You can do scanning, you know, you use your top list to do some scanning to see interesting charts and all of that, things that might be setting up for the following week. Somebody said, well, what's the point of using it over the weekend? Well, that's the whole point. You know, you can certainly, and even after hours. I mean, that's what I do. After hours, the market's closed, but you know, you're looking at potential setups for the following day. So you can certainly do that on during the weekend. All right. So I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. So I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye bye.